Good morning, my word nerds. How are you on this marvelous Monday? My name is Christine. I am a member of the Perry Girls, and each and every weekday morning I bring you a new and amazing word of the day for you to add to your vocabulary so that you can sound smarticles. Today's word of the day is one that doesn't look like the way it sounds. It's fairly simple, but it's really easy to pronounce it wrong. It's superbity. Superbity is today's word of the day, not superbity. But that's how it's spelled. S-U-P-E-R-B-I-T-Y. S-U-P-E-R-B-I-T-Y. Superbity. So that's how you spell it. But to pronounce it, it's superbity. Superbity. And superbity means arrogance or pride. So, we've discussed these kind of words in the past. And I want to reiterate that this is not always a negative word. Hey, 4 geeky dogs is in the house. Whoop, whoop. But being arrogant and being prideful are something that we just, there's something that we just kind of automatically go to a negative, right? Well, thank you for the heart hugs. Thank you so much. I want people to know, though, that sometimes arrogance can actually work in your favor. It can be a good thing. As long as you don't take it to that nth level where you're just being a jerk. So superbity means that you feel as if you are superb over someone else. That's kind of where superbity comes into play. It's you have this, I'm better than you. And that's a problem, right? But when you think, I'm better than the other candidate and I should be the one that you hire, that's where it can work in your favor. As long as you're not like, I'm better than everybody, right? So I should be paid $1 million for doing what I do. You know, that's where the superbity gets a little out of hand. So it's okay to be proud of yourself. It's okay to feel superb or superior in some ways. As long as you're not taking it to the level where you're putting other people down or you think you're better than other people just because, right? I know that I'm better at my job than someone else might be at my job. But that's because I've trained a lot and I've studied a lot. If this person were to study a lot and train a lot and go through what I've been through, then they would be as good as I am. So I am superior in payroll to someone else, or I am more superior than someone else at public speaking. But that does not make me more superior than that person as a whole. So it's okay. There you go. You are a better mommy to your dogs than a teenager could be. Absolutely. So you have superbity in your dog mommyship. Mommyhood, motherhood. In your dog motherhood. Is that even a thing? Let's make that a thing. That's a thing now. Okay? So there. Now it's a thing. So that's where it's okay to have that superbity in yourself. Okay? So I want my word nerds to really think about this today and identify people around them who have the right kind of superbity and the people who have the wrong kind of superbity. And the people who have the wrong kind of superbity, those are the kind of people that we need to pay the most attention to and kind of help them figure out that it's time to kind of rejoin the rest of the human population, you know, and be a little more humble. Because humility and superbity blended together is going to make a really great leader. No, I'm serious. You say ha ha ha, but I'm serious. If you have the right amount of humility and the right amount of superbity in the same human being, you've got an amazing leader. You've got someone who could pretty much be unstoppable, right? Because they know where they need help and they know where they are going to be more successful as being in charge, right? So they know what kind of people to surround themselves with to fill the gaps that they can't fill. So that's right? So that's what makes a good leader. So identify the people around you who have the wrong kind of superbity and help them find that humility so that they can be a better person. If you are the person who is suffering from superbity, you're probably thinking this scope is just a bunch of BS, but listen to it. I mean, really listen to it and really take a look at yourself. Find the places in your life where you have superbity and it's good, and then find the places in your life where you have a little bit of superbity that maybe needs a little humility added to it, okay? There's your challenge today. Superbity. S-U-P-E-R-B-I-T-Y. Superbity. Not superbity. Superbity. All right? Use it, don't abuse it. Be good to yourselves. Be good to one another. Know that I love you all. You're very welcome. And I will see you again here tomorrow for the terrific Tuesday edition of Word of the Day. Until then, bye now.